Dan sebelum kita masuk ke bagian pertama, presentasi The Journey of Goat Milk yang akan dibawakan oleh Mr. Keith Arnold dan juga Mr. Ipu Hapi from DGC New Zealand, saya akan perkenalkan dulu dengan para pembicaranya ya, Moms ya. Oke, yang pertama nih, kita akan berkenalan dengan Mr. Keith Arnold, seorang Shareholder Service Manager di DGC. Beliau memiliki pengalaman selama 25 tahun di industri susu dan saat ini berperan dalam pengawasan kegiatan peternakan, kode etik kesejahteraan hewan, dan pengawasan kualitas susu kambing formula. Sedangkan Mr. Ipu Hapi saat ini menjabat sebagai General Manager of Manufacturing at Dairy Goat Co-operative. Berlatar belakang pendidikan Master of Business Administration dari University of Waikato, New Zealand, beliau telah bekerja sama selama 15 tahun menjadi penanggung jawab kegiatan operasional seluruh proses produksi susu formula bayi di DGC. Sudah ganti belum nih ya fotonya nih? Coba kita lihat Mr. Ipu Hapi, ada fotonya? Nah, sebentar lagi nah ini dia, Mr. Ipu Hapi ya. Oke, Carry Moms, langsung saja yuk kita simak presentasi mereka berikut ini.
Gets to you. With safety and nature prioritised every step of the way. We have purpose-built our plant solely for manufacturing goat milk formula. Combined with our cooperative model, we are able to control the entire process from milking to distribution. This way, the milk that comes into the plant leaves as a completed product. The result is a safer, cleaner process with no interference in production. Our farmer shareholders. The journey starts on our farms. We are a cooperative where our farmers own the company. We have 67 farmer shareholders and their farms are in some of New Zealand's richest pastures. In New Zealand, we are spoiled by nature. It's natural farming country. Our farms are located in 3 key regions in the North Island of New Zealand: Northland, Waikato, and Taranaki. Our farms. DGC farmers have a variety of different farming systems. These ranged from housed through to on pasture. The predominant system is to house goats in open-sided, freestall barns and feed them on forages brought directly to them. The goats benefit from and enjoy natural lighting and a fresh, airy environment. They can move freely through the shelter or barn. Another system is on pasture grazing, where the goats are put out onto the pasture. Our farmers know how important a high-quality diet is to their goats. DGC goats thrive on locally grown forages such as grasses, clover, lucerne, hay and silage, and other pasture plants which are grown on their farms. If fresh feed is in short supply, our farmers may also bring in feed from other trusted farms within New Zealand. Milking goats are also given supplementary feeds, which are high in protein and energy to balance the diet. One of DGC's policies is that farmers use only trusted sources of New Zealand or Australian grown supplementary feeds that are fit for the purpose of producing high quality and safe goat milk infant formula. Animal welfare and DGC Code of Farm Practice. We take animal welfare seriously and we ensure our goats are well looked after. This is through a set of regulations and requirements by both the New Zealand Government and Dairy Goat Co-operative. New Zealand has a strict code of welfare for goats and many other animal welfare regulations. Farms must meet all these regulations. They specify what are the minimum requirements for animal welfare and how this may be achieved for goats farmed under New Zealand conditions. DGC farms also required to follow DGC's own Code of Farm Practice. The DGC Code of Farm Practice has some expectations that are over and above the minimum requirements expected by the New Zealand Government. Our code is used to set world-class benchmarks for milk harvesting, animal welfare, environmental issues, and milk quality standards that are consistent with the manufacture of infant formula products. It encourages best farming practices for the production of goat milk that is fit for the purpose of producing high quality and safe infant formula. Developed with the assistance of an external auditing company and with input from farming experts, DGC's own Code of Farm Practice also captures the practical knowledge and know-how needed for milking goats. Milk collection. Milk is collected from our farms and delivered directly to the production facility as quickly as possible. We take great care of the milk, ensuring a consistently lower temperature at all times. We achieve this by only using insulated milk tankers. This helps maintain the nutritional integrity of our goat milk at all times during transit. When the whole goat milk is delivered to the site, it is checked again for quality before processing begins.
Turning milk into formula. The process of converting pure goat milk into safe, exceptional formula needs to be a gentle, minimal one. We use the whole of the goat milk, and our minimal processing results in a product closer to its natural source. The milk that enters the dairy goat co-operative facility leaves as goat milk formula in the can that is then sold to families around the world. To ensure the safest possible production system, every element of the production is managed within our single site. The goat milk goes through 3 key stages to turn into infant formula: spray drying, blending, and then can filling. I'll go into more detail in the upcoming slides. Spray drying. Spray drying is the process of removing water from the milk, producing the beginning of the fine powder that is eventually found in the finished product. Our spray dryers are kept meticulously clean, and the most recent second spray dryer was built in 2015. Because our products are made with whole milk, they will undergo less heat steps than a typical process. This helps to maintain the natural nutrients in goat's milk. Blending. Our state-of-the-art blending plant enables us to add additional nutrients required to meet regulatory and specific product requirements. Often these are heat-sensitive ingredients, which can't be added at spray drying. Can filling and distribution. The final stage in the process is can filling. The Dairy Goat Co-operative can filling facilities are world class. On any day at Dairy Goat Co-operative, we can fill over 90,000 cans. These are then sent to our warehousing and distribution facility where they await final safety tests before being released for export worldwide. Throughout the whole process, we ensure the product is handled with care and meets the highest quality and safety standards. Quality and safety. A core Dairy Goat Co-operative belief is that we will deliver farm to bottle food safety, quality and trusted brands. Quality and food safety are of the utmost priority to us as the consumers. Infants and children demand the highest standards. Dairy Goat Co-operative ensures that all products sent to customer meets the standards and expectations of the consumer, customer, importing country regulatory agencies, and New Zealand regulatory agencies. We apply infant formula standards and expectations to manage quality and food safety hazards at all stages through our process. Key areas of our quality focus are on-farm practices and milk collection, product development, ingredient and packaging procurement, manufacturing processes, hygiene practices, support services, product assurance processes, and customer service. Dairy Goat Co-operative is a FSSC 22000 certified manufacturer. FSSC 22000 is an internationally recognized food safety certification which demonstrates that Dairy Goat Co-operative has a robust food safety management system. Thank you very much.